Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Peacock TV how to watch. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to watch in Peacock TV, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Peacock TV application, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is log in with your account. So enter in your email and password if it's asked to enter it, or if it's not, you will be transferred to the home screen of the Peacock TV. Now in order to watch it, first what you need to do is choose a plan. To do it, simply select any of the series that you want to watch, and then in order to watch it, you will find the option that says upgrade to watch. Simply select that, and now it will take you to the plan section. Choose from free plan, which is unlimited content, and premium plan, which is for the full access. Select the plan you want and complete the payment only if you choose premium. Then you will see different categories like movies, TV shows, live sports, news. All you gotta do is scroll to explore and then pick what you want by simply tapping on the content. Once that's done, all you gotta do is scroll down and then select episodes that you want to watch by simply tapping on it or tapping on the play button. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.